In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog website using the Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Hostinger control panel by going to their website, hostinger.com. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up or log into your existing account. Once you're in, the landing page in the control panel should appear, which is where you'll manage all your websites. Now, to begin, look for the section where your websites are listed, and you should see an option that says Edit Website. Click on it. This will take you to the Hostinger Website Builder interface, which is intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for beginners who might be building their first blog. As you find yourself on the main editing screen, your next step is to focus on the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll see a variety of options to customize your site, but we are going to concentrate on building your blog. Identify and click on the option labeled Pages. This button is your gateway to organizing and structuring your new site, allowing you to add, remove, or modify pages at your discretion. Once inside the Pages menu, look for a section that says Blog. This is where the magic happens. Click on Blog to access your blog settings. Hostinger makes it easy to set up and manage blog entries, so don't worry if you're not familiar with this yet. You'll find it straightforward once you start clicking around. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to add your very first blog post. Find the Add New Post button within the blog section and click it. This will open a post editor similar to what you might see in other platforms such as WordPress, but more streamlined for ease of use. Here you can start crafting your first article. Begin by giving it an engaging title that invites readers in, and then move on to the content. Remember, the key to a good blog is delivering valuable, readable content to your audience, so take your time crafting it. And that's it! You now know the basic steps to create a blog website using Hostinger's Website Builder. This tool is designed to be easy to use while still offering robust features for customization and SEO optimization. So don't hesitate to explore and add more posts and pages as you become more comfortable. By following this guide, you're well on your way to sharing your ideas and stories with the world. Happy blogging!